What's up YouTube, Alien Rides here. Today we are taking a look at the Monday Motorbikes Anza. This is a lightweight, fat tire beach cruiser, and I can't wait to check it out. Let's take a look, subscribe and let's ride.
We've got a pretty rare e-bike video for you all today. Mostly because I'm not a fan of pedaling, but it's not so bad on e-bikes, and especially the Anza. That's because this bike basically gives you super strength. As you effortlessly pedal, the bike powers ahead. The Anza pedal assist is a magical feeling. Let's get into the features and start from the base up with the tires. Monday has chosen 20 by 4-inch big fat tires for their beefy shock absorption and proprietary puncture prevention system. Honestly, they ride great, just gliding over everything from dunes to potholes. Next up is performance. The bike we have has a 500 watt motor with a 14 amp hour battery. That gives an advertised range of 40 miles, but probably if you're doing quite a bit of pedaling. Its top speed is advertised at 20 miles per hour, though often, with pedaling, we got it up to 24 miles per hour or so. There's a 750 watt version with advertised speeds of 28 miles per hour. One of the most useful features of the Anza and other Monday bikes is the ability to easily pull out the batteries. You could quick swap for extra range or pull it out and charge the battery separately from the bike. To take it out, simply unlatch the steel cover, then lift the battery out. The Anza comes with an integrated front light that is quite dependable and more than adequate for urban or city riding. Like many front lights on bikes, I do recommend that you use another light for frequent night riding. The Anza features a thin, long seat. It's decent for riding and is easily capable of carrying a passenger, but the Anza doesn't come with pegs by default. The 2022 Anza has two models, one with a 500 watt motor and an 11.6 amp hour battery, while the other model has a 750 watt motor and 14 amp hour battery, each costing just under $2,000 and $3,000 US. That can be a lot, but you are paying largely for the high-quality aluminum frame and low weight. It's definitely cheaper than the current rising gas costs, as well as being cheaper than public transit. All in all, the 2022 Anza is a perfect beach cruiser. The low torque and large tires are perfect for sand or loose dirt. The low weight makes it easy to lift it into your car for beach trips and keeps it gliding over the dunes. And most importantly, the bike looks great, and you look pretty darn good riding one, if I can say so.
Well, that's all we got for this episode on the Monday Motorbikes Anza. If you want to see more on this bike, you can check it out using the link in the video description below. Consider subscribing so we can keep making more of these. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you all next time.